Hi everyone, today we're gonna create this beautiful glass cube model and I'm pretty sure even beginner could follow along, so let's go! First thing first, please make sure that you install the extra mesh object add-ons because we're gonna use it for the run cube. Then you have to add the run cube. Wait a sec, I forgot to turn on the screencast key and here we go. So you can see what I'm clicking and typing. Right click and then choose run cube of course and change the radius. I think 0.1 is nice for me. You can put whatever you want. That's for the round cube. We can start creating the stars now. Of course, we're gonna use cube again and then start adding the subdivision modifier. You can put whatever number you can, but 6 is nice for me. Depend on your hardware, I guess. And then you select the edges and then shift E to make it pinch and then subdivide it, and please make sure to turn on the snap to vertex because it's gonna make your life easier. We're gonna move the corner vertex to the middle so it's like pointy, you know the drill. Then after that, please select the edges in the middle of that pinch vertex and scale it down. Now we have stars. Easy, right? Can you believe that's it for the modeling? Now you can start moving around with the stars and put it however you want, wherever you want, rotate it however you like. You can use double R to free rotate it. I mean, it looks pretty good for now. Then let's start with the shading. We're gonna start with the glass cube first. Okay, we're gonna use the glass BSDF of course. But since I want to add some distortion, we're gonna use mix shader by adding refraction BSDF. Why did we separate it into 3? Because I want each color to have a different value of distortion. Don't forget to add the transmission depth into the factor from the mix shader. It's because of the placement we can see the distortion right now, but please bear with me. And then we're gonna change the IOR for each color to change the distortion effect for each value, each color. And then to make it more realistic, we're gonna add some roughness to it through color ramp. Yeah, you can change the value number however you want with whatever number you want. See, it doesn't look that much, but please bear with me. We still have a few things to do to see the distortion. But that's pretty much for the glass cube shading. Now let's move on to the star. It's very easy. You just have to make sure the metallic value is 1 and the roughness is 0, and that's it. It's pretty easy. You can select the other stars and select the last stars that you have created the material and then Ctrl L to copy the materials. Then you play around with the position because I want to make it look more interesting, and you can do that too. But I feel like it looks so plain right now. I'm gonna change the distortion color. Again, you can play around with it and use whatever color you want. But I feel like it's pretty important to keep the lighting to be triadic, like 3 color that opposing each other, you know. Don't forget to install the 3 lighting add-ons. I forgot to show that here because it's gonna make your life easier as a beginner. And then you can change the light color. It doesn't affect that much, but there's like a hint of that color on the glass cube, so it's like an accent color to make it more pop, you know. Again, I'm playing around with the position and the rotation. It still feels a little flat to me because the lighting is not right. I'm gonna change the world shader. It's like my default shader, but we're gonna change it into sky texture and turn down the strength so it feels like dawn, you know, to give that moody feelings. And I think we're done. Like, that's freaking easy, right? It's less than 10 minutes, I guess. So hope you like it, guys. See you on the next tutorial.